Hey guys, Shane again. Trading Ways with Shane. Guys, it's Sunday, about lunchtime, so 21st of November. I'm just want to quickly show you what happened on Bitcoin and what is still playing out. So, in my view, we've got okay. I hope you guys like the dark screen now. I've moved away from the white screen so I don't fry your eyeballs. What will happen to my pink lines now? Will they still look good? Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, so recap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shorted on top here. Remember the perfect box entry using my system, which I teach in my Discord channel. Okay, 1, 2 is done. Now, the scenario I'm looking at now, this could be the wave 4 done and wave 5 done, and we should turn around. Or this is only the wave 3, and that's the wave 4 coming up to the same level as last wave 4. One more push down to this next box that I've got down there before it turns around. Now let me just clean up a bit here. So this box, remember my first target was met, and then I said to you it could also go down to this one, most likely, and now it has. Let me just move it around or move it out the way because it's just cluttering up my chart. In fact, I'm going to get rid of this price data because we all know it's been there, done that. So I'll just leave the last one standing at the moment. So this could be done and we could be turning up. But like I said before, this could still be an expanding flat. So if you remember this up to there, so your A down, let me just do my lines. So you got your A down, your B, your C for expanding flat, and now we should turn around. Okay, now what if not? Let me just show you what this setup looks like. This is on a 4 hour. If I think, let me just see where the way forwards. Okay, so this is what 61, 62. If this goes to there roughly and then comes down again sharply with only 3 waves up, then yes, we will see this another low at 53,000-ish, 53, 54. So that is still a possibility. But having said that, this has met the minimum requirement. So this block here, or box here, was where it was equal to the last low down there. It has made, which looks like 5 waves. So it could be done. So for that reason, I'm thinking, what if this is the start of this move? Now I'm waiting for my pullback, and then I want to ride this next impulsive wave 3 up. So as an elite wave technician, we always want to play this wave 3 because that's always the longest and strongest impulsive wave. Now, if I go maybe, shall I show you the 1 hour, give you more detail? Okay, so if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside for by wave 3, and now it's zigzag 4, and there's my 5 finished. If that is my wave 1, got it right there. I'm expecting a lot of you guys would have been excited when you saw this move last night. So did I, but you would have been sucked into a buy, unfortunately. Hopefully you weren't. But now I'm waiting for this to play out a nice little correction to, let's say, the golden zone, the 618 area. That's your Fibonacci retracement, where I'll be looking for, which is very similar to the last wave 4 low there, which is 57 something. And I will personally, I'm not giving you advice here or financial advice, but I'm telling you, I will be buying a futures trade down there for Justin, just in case this is wave 1, that is wave 2. I do not want to miss out on it wave 3. If that doesn't work out, guys, your stop, or my stop, will be right at the low of, let me just get my straight line, of the last low. Okay, so that's where your low or your stop should be. So if I get in on a 618, let's say exactly there, okay, I've got a very small stop position in that level, and I've got a possibility of all their targets up there. Okay, so this is how you trade. Now, if, let's say we're wrong, let's say this is not the start of wave, the 5 waves up. So let me just go show you on a 4 hour again. Okay, so we get in there, we get stopped out. That's our small little loss. This will then do and finish off wave 5 nicely with 5 waves, and then we'll get another opportunity to either be very aggressive and buy it there, wait for your mini 5 up, bit of 2 down, and we get in there again. So basically where we get stopped out last time is where we'll have an entry again, and then we can go for that move. So if you have a small enough position with not too much leverage, like say 5x instead of something stupid, you could probably hold that all the way through and wait for it to turn up. So depending on the size of your trade. But if that takes you out, the next opportunity will be impulse, correction, and that's where your high probability of a trade will work. Now, why am I taking a chance here now? Well, because so many times I've shown you guys, there's a box, and so many times it just shy of it turns up and goes bullish. And for that reason, don't want to miss out. So I'm willing to risk that small stop loss for that big profit scenario. So what does what does it look like? So let me just have a quick see on my chart here with the buy. So let's say we buy it here at the 6.8, which is 57,300. So are we willing to risk, what is that? 2.97%. So let's call it 3%. And to make after wave 3, we should get 16%. If we go to wave 5 and break the all-time high, we should make at least 20%. So you're risking 3% to make anything between 15 and 20%. So that's a no-brainer. I mean, anything 3 to 1 is always a good trade, but if you can get a trade like this, even better. But that's what I'm doing. You guys know a shortage here. I'll close it a bit early because of this could have been a running flat, but it's now doing an expanded flat as we predicted a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, all good so far. Do you want the bad news? Let me just show you that quickly. Okay, this is too much stuff on here. Let me just remove this for you. Oh boy. Remember 3 months ago, or whenever it was, April, no? When was it? Can't remember now. June, July, I think I said to you guys, remember this could still be like the ABC correction for your A. This could be 3-way for your B, and then we get a big wave down C for mid 20 area. So we could go to 20s. This could be a triangle like this. Okay, so it'll go down to, like, say 40 zone, and then dance around here for a while, and after that we'll break up to all-time new highs. So just keep that in mind again. I keep reminding you guys about this situation over and over, but just remember it's still there playing. Oh, there we go. There's my bearish chart. So I still have that just in case that plays out. But what do I do now? I am waiting to make sure that this, let me go back there. Okay, back to where we were for 4 hours. I need to see this move down. Okay, let's say the bottom is in there now, just hypothetically. If we get to this 50% right here, what that's 62,000, okay, or just over 62,000. It's also above my wave 4 level here. Once we break through that, it'll give you so much more confidence that we are still going to make a new high. If this goes like, let me just show you this, that, and doesn't go through there and starts going down again and overlaps the top of this wave, that is definitely a 3-wave correction. And unfortunately, we will see another low, which means there'll be the big wave 1, a retrace here again, and a big drop to 40, 20, who knows. But for now, let's just hope that this is the retrace for wave 2, and let's go for it. So I'm willing to risk that little bit of profit, a little stop loss for this potential. If I'm wrong, I'll get out for a small loss. If I'm right, it's got a very big potential. Okay, guys, this is how you trade. Higher probabilities, small losses. So if you continue big wins, small losses, you'll do well. Good luck. Yes, and of course, if you want to join my Discord channel for more education like this, where I share my views and exactly how Elliott Wave counts work, you can email me in the description. It's rousseau.shane@gmail.com. But I'll leave it there in the description. Thanks, guys. Good luck.